3 of the Vernon Speakeasy YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing another cocktail class. It's a perfect segue from last week. If you remember, we made a lemon drop martini. Today we're going to be making a gold rush, which is almost identical, just switching out the spirit and sugar components. And a big thing we teach is just balance and learning how to swap in ingredients to fit flavor profiles for people. Let's go for it. So, in our small shaker tin, let's go ahead, put a scoop of ice. Now, since this is a bourbon cocktail, let's start there. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of bourbon. And y'all see me free pour before, but let's go ahead and use our jigger so you can see more or less what you're supposed to do. Now we're gonna be using 1 full ounce of honey syrup. The recipe on how to make this is in your cocktail kit. Basically what you do is you dilute your sugar, your syrup, in this case the honey, so it's not as thick and it's easier to pour. It doesn't stick to the inside of the jigger or the inside of your shaker tin either, but you still get all that honey flavor. Last but not least, 1 full ounce of lemon juice. Now, go ahead, seal your cocktail shaker tins and shake again at 10 to 15 seconds. Beautiful. Now this one, instead of being served up in a martini flute, we're going to serve it in a double rocks glass with some ice. I have that big chunk of ice agree with me. Now when this happens, you can just take a spoon, give it a little bit of stirring. It's not the end of the world, but sometimes you don't want that ice up in someone's nose when they're trying to take a drink. Perfect. To garnish this, we're gonna do the same thing that we did last week, but I'm gonna go a little thicker on the lemon so we can anchor it on the side of the glass. Cut a nice thick lemon wheel. All right, so same thing that we did with our silver coin. We're making a nice lemon coin today. Just cut a notch in the bottom and anchor it on the side of the glass. Now, this is a classic cocktail. It's very, very delicious, and the recipe is available in your cocktail kits. You should have everything you need to make it at home, and it's very simple. As you can see, it's only 3 ingredients. Cheers. Thank you for tuning in to the YouTube channel today for Vernon Speakeasy. Again, this is week 3. We've learned to make a couple cocktails. I want to ask again, please subscribe, please like any of the videos, and comment with any suggestions you'd like to see as far as drinks are concerned. And again, want to plug our nice Vernon Speakeasy gear and merch. Check out the back, it's really cool. Other than that, come into our restaurant. Come talk to our bar staff, we're very knowledgeable. Come take a cocktail class, we host them all the time. Last but not least, get your hands on a cocktail kit. It's a really good value for you. You got a lot of recipes and a lot of knowledge there. Plus, you get to drink and have some fun. Have a good day.